Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today's video will be a Romwe haul. It's really small Romwe haul, but I got it today, so I thought I'd share it with you. It's just 3 items, but let's get right into it. So the first item are a pair of cherry slippers. How adorable are these? I can't wait to wear these and be really cozy in the house. The second item, oh, this was on a flash sale. I love pink, as you all know, and hearts, and anything girly. Hold on. So we have a swimsuit. Heart printed swimsuit, triangle bikini top. Very cute. The only thing I don't like about it is why are the hearts upside down? Way, bummer, but that's okay. And then here are the bottoms. See, it is so strange. Hold on. Am I looking at this wrong? No, they did make it like that. Okay, that's funny. So there's that. Here are the bottoms, little string bottom. And then of course, the cute triangle top. And then the matching skirt. Very, very cute. So then we have, oh, I think these are pajamas. Do you think these were on a flash sale too? I can't get this open for the life of me. Okay. All right, so here is the pajama top. Super cute and girly and ruffly. So my style. And then here are the matching bottoms. Very cute to be cozy in with my new slippers. I'm so excited. I love all these girly things. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching really quickly. Make sure to comment and say hello, like and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.